Hello, and welcome to our channel where we bring you the greatest stories on four wheels. Join us today as we take a nostalgic ride back to the year 1965, a pivotal moment in automotive history, when Ford introduced a car that would not just roll off assembly lines, but ignite the hearts of an entire generation. The birth of the Mustang, a name that echoes with power and freedom. The year is 1965. The setting, a time when the automotive industry was ripe for a revolution. People craved style, speed, and affordability all in one machine. Enter the Mustang, a car that was sculpted with the pulse of excitement in mind. Its long hood, short deck design exuded raw power and aggression, while its independent rear suspension and McPherson strut front suspension promised sharp handling and a smooth ride. But the Mustang was more than just steel and glass. It was a statement, a declaration of individuality. Buyers could personalize their Mustangs with a plethora of options, from the choice of 3 powerful engines to different transmission options, allowing everyone to tailor their Mustang to their exact specifications. And it wasn't just about performance. The Mustang could be dressed up or down, offering buyers the chance to add unique touches like a convertible top, a variety of colors, and even a deluxe interior package, making every Mustang a reflection of its owner's personality. What a personality it had. The Mustang's front end was pure muscle car charisma, featuring quad headlights that pierced through the darkness and a grille that snarled with attitude. Turn signals were ingeniously integrated into the front bumper, adding a touch of functionality to the aggressive styling. The iconic galloping horse logo emblazoned on the front fenders was more than just a badge. It was a symbol of wild spirit and untamed power. But the Mustang's charm wasn't confined to its exterior. Stepping into the cockpit was like entering the cockpit of a fighter jet. The driver-oriented interior featured a wraparound dashboard with gauges that put all the vital information right in front of the driver. The 3-spoke steering wheel was not just a control, it was a command center. And the bucket seats held you in place like a custom glove, ready to devour any road with ease. But no conversation about the Mustang is complete without a word on its engine. The Mustang's power plant was the heart of its identity. The base model came equipped with a 20-horsepower inline 6-cylinder engine, perfect for those who wanted a taste of Mustang magic without going all out. However, for those seeking heart-pounding thrills, the Mustang also offered a range of V8 engines, including the mighty 289 cubic-inch Windsor V8, which roared to life with 271 horsepower. This wasn't just power on paper, it was raw American muscle unleashed, and the legend only grew from there. Over the years, the Mustang developed into several variations, each appealing to a diverse range of enthusiasts. The Mustang Coupe offered the classic, timeless appeal of a two-door beauty, while the convertible was the epitome of cool, allowing drivers to feel the wind in their hair as they cruised through the open road. For those seeking ultimate performance, the Shelby GT350 and later the Shelby GT500 injected even more power and prowess into the Mustang's soul. The impact of the Mustang on popular culture is undeniable. It became a symbol of freedom, power, and the American spirit. The Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. In conclusion, the 1965 Ford Mustang was much more than a car. It was a revolution on wheels that changed the automotive landscape forever. With its stunning design, powerful engine options, customizable features, and sheer driving excitement, the Mustang captured the hearts and minds of an entire generation. It wasn't just about horsepower, it was about freedom. It wasn't just about speed, it was about adventure. The Mustang was, and still is, the ultimate expression of the American driving spirit. Do you own a Mustang? Or have you ever driven one? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories on four wheels. Until next time, keep the engine running and the road forever wide.